Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, guys. So as you see, guys, the daily candle, it's finished here. And as you see, it was given you here. And by the way, also we put in for you a video in the time of news and what that candle indicating here. We told you that one, those was their continuation candle. So even if the price came up, look where it is now. If I'll down tell that zone here, yes or no? Now where we are, guys, because we still in that very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. You still in it. It might from here go back up or it might break it down. So what is it, the view now? Did also we going to break down or to go back up? We need to see. Look with me here, guys. Here, what you seeing? Who is winning here? Big red volume, guys. Yes or no? And what I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. What you seeing, guys? What the market give you here? Look with me here, guys. What you seeing here? Look at that one here, here, and here. What is giving you? What that indicating to you? Low here, high here, and now he giving us another low, guys. So where we are going? We are in a downtrend, guys. It's very, very, very clear. Bring my 7-year-old child. He's going to tell you also we are in a downtrend. It's very clear picture there. Don't let someone to lie at you and tell you blah, 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 blah. Everything is very clear in the chart. And here, look at it. It came a touch for us, the top of that channel. Yes, here the Bitcoin is still holding in that zone. The Bitcoin is the only one who's still very stronger, doesn't want to break that zone. Where is the next target, guys? Here, at 17K. Here, because that one is the lower of the weekly wage, guys. Where is the lower of the channel? That one he touched in the top of it here. Is it very, very, very down, guys? Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys. That the wage, he came here. Now he need to come to touch it again. Here. The lower of that channel, is it very lower here at 12K or maybe 10K, or we don't know where it's going to go. Also, we're still in very, very bad moment, guys. And the only hope also we got is that level where we are here, guys. If it doesn't hold, it's another story. By the way, the level is that one. If it doesn't hold for us, you're going to see the Bitcoin very low, guys. Maybe 10K, maybe 12K. And I'll show you that one. Look at it now. Look here. Look how clear it is. A head and shoulder, guys. I showed it to you before, but I told you that one, the neckline is not a line like that. No, I told you need to come to make a level like that, to make it a square. So let's hope that one is going to be the phase 3. If it doesn't, it's going to be a very, very bad scenario. No one wanted, guys. And here, the trend line I told you, don't enter unless if it came and breaking for you here. That trend line. You see it where it started from here, here, and here. 3 times it's being touched, guys. And lower here, he couldn't break. It's still holding. What that meant to you, look at it very clear, guys. It's a triangle. And I show you all those things before, but it's okay. I know some people, they just came now. I show you, I tell you before. The Bitcoin, it's always when it started going up, or crypto market in general, he breaking the triangle up. And when he started falling down, he give you a head and shoulder, guys. Look at it. Look here, is a head and shoulder. You see it or no? Here is a head and shoulder. Even here, if we go back, there is a head and shoulder. Look at it now. Did you see now or no? Look, very clear head and shoulder here. Very clear head and shoulder here, guys. And now he give you another head and shoulder, guys. Triangle. Look at it. What you see in here is a triangle, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. Look, even here, a head and shoulder. Did you see it here? Here. Look at it. It's a very clear head and shoulder there. Look at it. Here, here, here. Then he fall down till here. If we go back to the history, it's the same thing, guys. Now what you need to do? Now at the moment, what you need to do? Don't do nothing. Don't enter. Don't buy now. It's too early, guys. You came here. You draw like that. A triangle like how me I draw it now. Like that. And you came to that last peak. That one here. That one, and you make a close eye at it. If it's going to hold or it's going to be broken. Everything is too clear, guys. If it's breaking for you here high, the top of the trend line, that one we started from here and here and here. 3 times, guys. If it's break the top, you enter long. If it's break here, lower here, if you got some Bitcoin, sell it, guys. And waiting to buy it from lower at 10K. That's my advice to you. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That our indicator, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put into videos, guys. Every day into videos, analyzing for you the the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be notified about the market, what it's doing right now, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And you know you are a subscriber. Go down and smash the like button. Helping us to growing up more that channel. You see all the hard work we're doing for you guys, so you helping us by smashing the like button, guys, and writing for us a comment. Tell that YouTube algorithm also we exist in here. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here in our indicator, guys, what did I told you before? If you've been with us for some time, what did I told you here? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Down how many? 2. Same thing here. Look at that. 1, 2, and here 3. Down how many? 2. Same thing even here. What's happened here? A big falling, guys. Now what's going to happen? Same thing like how it happened here and like how it happened here, guys. Why? Look where we are in our trend line, guys. It might from here going back up, but should you enter now? No, my friend, it's still very early now. Also, we're still in a downtrend, guys. Maybe from here to fall down till here, till the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here? Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, look at it. What it's doing here, in that zone here. What I told you about that zone. I told you it's going to come to it. I tell it to you from here. Look where you are now. You are in it again. Yes or no? And that zone, what it's indicating to you, guys. Look at it. From here, if you bring in a line like that, what you're seeing? It's a divergence, guys. It's a very clear divergence now. That in the daily, guys. But should you enter? No, my friend. Because you still have here in the top, that trend line here. It needs to be broken for you to enter. That one. If it doesn't being broken, don't enter, guys. Till now, it's still very, very early, guys. Everything is too clear. When is going to be the right time to buy? I'm going to tell it to you here in our channel. So that way I ask you every time to make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now, what the Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours right now, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours there is something here. Look at it. Very clear here. What you see in here. Forget about the past. What you see in here, a very clear supply and demand zone, guys. First, second, and now you are in the third time in it. And what it indicating to you, even when it touched here by that big red candle of the news, when that Jerome Powell came and started yapping at us, what happened here? What that candle indicating to you? From down there is a big pushing up, a big tail. Yes or no? Now what the view? What you need to do? Don't do nothing, guys. Still waiting. I tell you here in the 4 hours, what you got? What is it that in front of you? It's a wage, guys. The market came to it, then it fall down, guys. Where you are here? You are down in the 200 moving average, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy now? Of course not. It's need to give you here a price action indicating that the market is going to change. It doesn't give you nothing here. Instead, what it give you here? Look, here, here, and here. It give you a double top, guys. A double top where? In that very stronger level here, also withdrawing before. That one. As you see it, guys. That one. If you go in now to 30 minutes, it's going to be very clear to you. Look at it. When it's being broken here, how it reacting here. A very stronger resistance. It came to it twice, but he couldn't break it, guys. Now where you are? You are at the third, at that one, at that level. How many times it came to it now? First, second, and now you are the third time. Now, either to break for you down, as many is going to go more lower, or to go back up, as many you're going to stay here sideways for some time. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in my chart, what I got me. Look at it. I got that channel here. He touched for us the top of it. Here he touched the lower of it. Now it's so close to the lower of it, guys. But when he breaking for us that yellow level here, that one us we got it with yellow, what it's showing there, that level of us here, it's reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. As you see it, look at it, guys. Here, what you see in here, it came to it, he couldn't break it again. Here, second time, he couldn't break it. And look what it give you here. Look what you see in here, a very clear W, guys. If you came, the lower of that W where it is down here. It's being broken, guys, here by that candle. So now if you came, you calculating from here to here, where is going to be the lower of it? It's going to be here down. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and smash in the like button, helping us growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. Our indicator is more clear than the chart. Look here, what you got here. You got here that level here. What it's indicating to you here? He break it down. Yes or no? And what it's indicating to you? Look here with me. Close here. Lower, high, and now he give you another low, guys. What that indicating? You are in a downtrend. Should you buy now? Of course not. Now you need to wait, and guys, it might now to make a small correction like that, but also it's still very early for us. Also it need to touch for us here the oversold area and that white trend line here, the one of the divergence as we drawed before. Everything is too clear, guys? It's our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's indicating here? Look at it. What is indicating that one to you? You are at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? What I told you me before, that one it need to be at the oversold area, that indicator of us. You need to be in a stronger level, and yes, you are in a very stronger level as you see it. Should you buy now? No. You need the third condition, and that one is the most important condition, guys. What is it, that one? The price action. Did you got a price action there? Yes, you got it. What is it? Is that one. That wage us we have, guys. That one. That the only thing us we have. Should you buy now? No, guys. It need to come to break for you high here. If it's breaking high here, you buy. Sell now? Nothing confirmed, guys. Should you enter sell? You are at the oversold area, guys. It's too hard to enter now. Sell. As I tell it to you that the first condition you need to learn in the market. Don't buy at the overbought and don't sell at the oversold. You are at the oversold now. It might now to make a other correction, guys. How you going to know is the right time for you to buy? Just that one to be broken, guys. Now what you need to do for the Bitcoin? To wait in to break for you that one. To look only for buying opportunity now, guys. Remember my word. To look only for what? For buying opportunity, guys. Everything is too clear. It's going now to 30 minutes to see what the market doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in our friend 30 minutes. What you see in here? Look at that double top. I tell it to you me before. Look at it. It's very, very, very clear, guys, here in 30 minutes. The lower of it is here. Not the top of it here. Did it bring in for you the target? Not yet, guys. Target is going to be here. Down here. Look at it. Very clear. In the last video, me, I told you from here to sell. It fall down. I told you in the last video from here to buy. Here you take profit. That's what me I told you in the last videos, guys. Now what you need to do, guys? Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see in here, guys, our indicator, what it's saying here is very close here to the oversold, but it's not yet. That's what me I told you. There is more room to falling down, guys. Till here, till 17k, guys. Then we're going to see another going up, but now also we're still falling down more, guys. See it or no? By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in our channel, his name how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to the description of that video, you're going to find the source code of that indicator, and even in that video we show you how to install it. Go and do it now and download it and install it in your trading view, so like that you're going to be notified, and also we give you the price action is it here, so like that you're going to be very, very, very well notified, guys. And here the last video, what did I told you me? What did I told you here about that one? If you remember, I told you if it break for you here, enter short. What it done, guys? If you enter short, will have you making profit now. Why? Because look what you have. Did it bring in for you the target? I don't think so. It's still more room to fall down, guys. Still 17k. Still down here. That the power of our analysis, guys, is everything is very simple. But now we are in a very stronger level, guys. Here. It might that one just stay in here ranging and I want to fall down and it become red here. And I'm going to come to update you tomorrow. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So like that you're going to be notified every time when also we're going to put out a new video, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now what you need to do? Nothing, my friend. Just wait in our tomorrow video, guys. And we're going to update you and tell you what to do. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.